Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about quantitative aptitude, and today's topic is simplification. Okay, yeah. See, in order to simplify the expression, you should know this rule. V bod mos. V stands for uh, vinculum. Okay. Uh, B stands for bracket. O stands for off, D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay. Yeah, what is this rule means? Okay, in the expression, you need to solve vinculum first. Then you need to go to the brackets. Again, in the brackets, there are three types: normal bracket, flower brackets, and then square bracket. First, you need to solve normal, then flower brackets, then square brackets. Okay. Next you need to solve off, next remaining arithmetic operations like division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the basic rule. You should know this one. Okay. Yeah. See, we will solve one problem so that you will come to know what is this rule. V bod mos. Okay. Yeah. Before solving any problem, you need to keep it in mind this formula, that is V bod mos. Okay, yeah. See, observe the expression. So many operators are there. Okay, plus is there, division, of, subtraction, that is minus, plus, multiplication, division, then vinculum is there. Okay, yeah. See, according to the rule, you need to take first vinculum first. Okay, means solve this one. That is 4 minus 2. Okay, yeah, write the remaining things as it is. See, go step by step. Okay, so that it will be very easy. Two into 3 divided by, so what is 4 minus 2? Simple, that is 2. Yeah, see, first vinculum means bar bracket is over. What is next one? That is bracket. Okay, search for the brackets. As I told earlier, okay, three brackets are there. One is normal bracket and next is flower, last one is square bracket. Okay, first you need to solve a normal brackets, means this one. Write the remaining things as it is. Okay, 4 of 2 minus 2, 2 plus opening flower bracket 2 into, okay, yeah, 3 divided by 2 means you can write 1.5. Okay, or you can write a 1 by 2, sorry, 3 by 2. Okay, got the idea? Okay, means 3 divided by 2 means you can put the decimal number, that is 1.5, or you can keep it like this, 3 by 2. Okay, so that these brackets will be removed. We are remaining in flower brackets. Okay. Yeah, we'll go to next step, that is, see, now we are left with, okay, two brackets, that is, one is square brackets and next one is flower brackets. Okay, according to the rule, we need to solve flower bracket first. 18 plus 16 divided by 4 of 2 minus 2, 2 plus, what is 2 into 3 by 2? See, 2 get cancels, so we are left with 3. Clear? Yeah. Next step is, see, we are left with bracket again, that is square bracket. Solve this one. 18 plus 16 divided by 4 of 2 minus 2, okay, into, see, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, yeah. Now we are left with plus, that is division. Okay, then off symbol, then minus symbol, then multiplication symbol. See, according to the rule, V is over, B is over. We are left with O, D, M, A, S. Okay, search for next is off. So where it is? This one. You need to solve this one first. Okay, 18, right as it is, 18 plus 16, okay, divided by what is 4 of 2. I already told what is the meaning of half. Half means multiplication. Okay, we need to do multiplication. 4 into 2, that is 8. Write the remaining thing as it is, minus 2 into 5. Okay, this thing we solved now. Okay, so we got the answer, that is 8. Write the remaining thing as it is, like this. Now we are left with plus, division, subtraction, multiplication. According to the rule, we need to solve division first. 18 plus 16 divided by 8 is, that is 2. Okay, write the remaining thing as it is, minus 2 into 5. Next is, according to the rule, we need to solve 2 into 5. 18 plus 2 minus 5 2 is 10. Okay, we are left with plus and minus. According to the rule, we need to do addition first. 18 plus 2, that is 20, minus 10. Last, we are left with 20 minus 10, that is 10. Your final answer is 10. Okay, yeah. If you know the rule, okay, simplifying the expression will become very easy. Clear? See, I am giving some problems for your assignment. Okay, solve the problem and give your answers in the comments. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much.